Hello everyone, welcome back to Simplify Studies. In today's module, we are going to learn about Maharashtra and Goa. Maharashtra is the second most populated state in India. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. The black soil of Maharashtra is good for growing cotton, sugarcane, groundnut, millet, rice, pulses, etc. Hence, the main occupation of the people is farming. Fruits like Alfonso mangoes, oranges, chiku, grapes, bananas also grow here. Some of the famous dishes of Maharashtra are vada pav, misal pav, pav bhaji, bhel puri, shrikhand and puran poli. Traditional dress of women in Maharashtra is a special 9-yard sari tied in a unique way known as Navwari, and the traditional dress for men is dhoti and feta. Commonly spoken languages are Marathi and Konkani. Lavani and Koli are some of the folk dances of the people here. Tamasha, a type of dance drama, is very popular in Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Diwali, and Gudi Padwa are the main festivals of the state. Now, let us talk about the capital city of Maharashtra, that is Mumbai, the city of dreams. This major port is located on the west coast of India facing the Arabian Sea. Originally, Mumbai was a group of 7 islands. These islands were later connected to form the city of Mumbai. It took 60 years to merge the 7 islands of Bombay into one landmass between 1784 and 1845. The name Mumbai is derived from two Marathi words, Mumba meaning goddess and I meaning mother. It was earlier known as Bombay. The governor, the chief minister, and other ministers of Maharashtra live and work in Mumbai. All the important offices of the state government are also located here. Mumbai has warm and humid summers. Winter is not very cold. There is heavy rainfall from June to September. Mumbai is also the commercial capital of India. It has the biggest seaport in India. It has a large number of industries such as textile mills, chemicals, medicines, edible oils, fertilizers, electronic goods, etc. These industries provide jobs to a large number of people from all parts of India. Mumbai is the center of film industry. It is also called Bollywood. Most of the Hindi and Marathi movies and TV serials are produced in Mumbai. Most of the film stars also live here. Mumbai High is an offshore oil field near Mumbai. Crude oil found here in the seabeds is taken out and refined in a refinery. The Bhabha Atomic Research Centre BARC, situated at Trombay near Mumbai, is India's first atomic power plant. It carries out research related to peaceful use of atomic energy. Mumbai is a famous tourist destination. The most famous landmark is the Gateway of India. Juhu Beach and Chowpatty are the famous beaches of Mumbai. Other places of tourist attraction are Kamla Nehru Park, Hanging Garden, Jahangir Art Gallery, Marine Drive, Nariman Point, Haji Ali Dargah, Tarapurwala Aquarium, then SL World, Nehru Planetarium, and the National Science Center. The arc of shining lights at night along the Marine Drive looks like a beautiful necklace and is called the Queen's Necklace. The Elephanta Caves on the island, just 10 kilometers away, have beautiful rock cut temple with stone carvings. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, earlier known as VT Station, is one of the busiest railway stations in India. The Bandra-Worli Sea Link, officially called Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link, links Bandra in West Mumbai to Worli in South Mumbai. The Sea Link reduces travel time during peak hours from 60 to 90 minutes to 20 to 30 minutes. Now, let us talk about Goa. Goa is on India's western coast. The British ruled India for many years, but Goa was ruled by Portuguese for more than 450 years. Portuguese were the first foreigners or European people who entered and ruled India in 1505, and they were the last one to leave India. Goa was freed from Portuguese rule on 19 December 1961 by the Indian Armed Force under Operation Vijay. Panaji or Panji, the capital of Goa, is on Mandavi River. Another important river here is Zurahi. The villages have tile-roofed houses. You can also visit the Aravalam Fall, Datta Mandir, and the famous beaches at Kalangut, Vagator, and Anjuna. Coconut is grown in plenty in Goa, as the warm and humid coastal climate is suitable for it. Other important crops are rice and ragi. It is amazing to see cashew nut grows outside the cashew apple. Feni is a popular drink here. It is an alcoholic drink made from crushed cashews or coconut juice. Apart from farming, fishing is a major occupation. In the markets of Panaji, you can see many different varieties of fish, including squids. The state exports a lot of iron ore and manganese from the port town of Vasco da Gama. If you are in Goa, then you should also visit the famous church called the Basilica of Bom Jesus, means good Jesus. The Basilica of Bom Jesus has a casket with the preserved body of Saint Francis Xavier, a famous Christian monk from Europe. Konkani is the official language here, though many people also speak Marathi and Kannada. The most well known festival of the state is the Goa Carnival, which attracts people from all over the world. There's a lot of merrymaking, dancing, and music, and it is fun time for everybody. The people of this state really enjoy Goan music and folk dance. With this, I'd like to end today's session. Please do like and share this video. Thank you.